You got animal rights now. They're talking about animal rights.
Who is?
Who's up there on the hill is talking about animal rights. Turn on TV, they're talking about animal rights. Radio, everything's all animal rights. Where I grew up, we grew up with dogs, we had cats, we had a turkey, we had salamander, and we had it wasn't a tiger, but it was a fox. We had all the things. So we knew about animals. We loved animals. But it wasn't until recently the animals started talking about their rights. Y'all going on, oh God, where's this cat? Oh, she gone off to get a lawyer. What, she don't want her belly rubbed? She don't want her cat food? No, something. And see, I don't think it's the cats and dogs doing it to themselves. I think it's George Soros and all them guys coming in there putting it, because it's called Marxisms. And they're putting them in there, and they're getting into the cats now, and they're letting the cats know, oh, if you don't want to, wear a little belt on your neck, you don't want to have a little old dish of food, oh, you got to go off and get a lawyer, get your rights. It's all about your rights now. Where's my rights? That's what the hell I want to know. Where the hell's my rights? I got rights just as much as the rest of them. You think they're out there every day saying, oh, what about old Greeley's? What about Horace Greeley's rights? They don't care about my rights. The other day I was up on Sampson Bridge, winking my pud. Do you think I got a kind look from the police officers? No, they hug old Horace Greeley down in the old city jail. That's Horace Greeley's rights.
Looking for a place to live in Folkestone? Why not try Color Village? Color Village has everything from blues.
I've been living here a long time. If I left, I'd be very sad.
To lavenders. I love Color Village. It's spectacular.
There's an old boy the other day talking about reincarnation. He said, when you die, you don't die, you come back as something else. I said, well, if I don't want to? He said, you ain't got no choice. He said, what'd you come back? I said, I'd like to come back as a snail. You know why? Because they don't give a fuck. You ever look at a snail? Snail don't give a fuck. They just do their thing. They just snailing around, gone slow. That's what I like to come back. He said, you don't get a choice. I said, well, hell, if I don't get a choice, I ain't going to die. I'm still here. Still here. Some people say, oh, I don't give a shit what I want to come back as a bird, come back as an old rusty sock.
What?
Come back as a, rusty sock.
What's that?
You never saw a rusty sock?
No.
You remember when they used to make socks out of steel?
No, I don't remember that.
Yeah, how old are you?
27.
Well, shit, I got a few years on you. They used to make socks out of steel. And if you walk out in the rain, you come home at night, you find a rusty sock. That's why I want to ask this Swami Hishnu Gishnu, whoever this guy was banging on about his reincarnation. I said, well, yeah, you don't care what you come back with. You don't come back as a rusty sock. He gave me the same old look he gave you just now. Or me. You gave me a look. You didn't give yourself a look.
So the last stop on the tour is my favorite stop on the tour. Is the smooth rock. Most of the time we think when we have a rock rough, right? Now this part of the rock very rough. But here, the rock's smooth. Now you seem like a very smart group of tour people. What do you think the advantage of a smooth rock would be? Yes, it would feel nicer. And this was one thing that Folkestone brought many years ago, was the practice of stone smoothing. That's why for many years, Folkestone was known as the capital of the smooth stone.
I know some people say, well, what the hell did you do? You ate a crocodile. Yes, I did eat a crocodile. And I'll tell you one thing, if you was in my position, you'd eat a crocodile too. Y'all making out like animals is the most lovely people on earth. I'll tell you something. You're staring Jaws in the depth of his face, and it's a choice between life and matter. Yes, Your Honor.
I'm not a judge.
I know you're not a judge. I don't care.
Yeah.
I'm just telling my story because I feel like I'm coming under scrutinizing here.
No.
I did eat a crocodile. Yes, I did.
I know.
I ate it from head to tail.
Yeah.
Not my tail, his tail.
Mm.
And that crocodile, y'all making out like, oh, we're gonna live off the land and everything gonna be nice to us when there. Crocodile got more than 15 teeth.
A lot more.
He's got a lot more than 15 teeth. I don't know the exact number. But you think he's gonna use them 15 teeth to just sit around and go, oh, here I'm sitting on the old lily pad. No, he would use them teeth to eat people, and if one of them people happens to be a human, he'll eat that too.
Yeah, he will.
So yes, sir, I stabbed the crocodile and ate the crocodile. And I'm sorry, Your Honor.
I'm not.
I know you're not no judge,
No.
but Your Honor, when it comes to feeling scrutinized, sometimes a man feel like he got to stand up for himself. He does.